He gave it to me. He gave it to me. I am afraid to go. I am afraid to go. He likes to run. He likes to run. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Listen to this. Listen to this. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. It's up to you. It's up to you. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Give it to her. Give it to her. We lay on the grass. We lay on the grass. Talk to me. Talk to me. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? He sat on the bench. He sat on the bench. We play on Sunday. We play on Sunday. I am free on Sunday. I am free on Sunday. What is going on? What is going on? Turn on the radio. Turn on the radio. The light is on. The light is on. We depend on you. We depend on you. I am on a diet. I am on a diet. Put your hat on. Put your hat on. I don't need it. I don't need it. It's on me. It's on me. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Can you find it? Can you find it? Give it to him. Give it to him. It's hot today. It's hot today. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Give it to her. Give it to her. It's my CD. It's my CD. Who built it? Who built it? Is it free? Is it free? Fill it up. Fill it up. It's cold. It's cold. It's easy. It's easy. I use it. I use it. It's new. It's new. Wait in line, please. Wait in line, please. I got it. I got it. They are in class. They are in class. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Rome is in Italy. Rome is in Italy. We are in a hurry. We are in a hurry. I believe in him. I believe in him. I believe in you. I believe in you. I am in London. I am in London. Please come in. Please come in. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. May I come in? May I come in? Let me in. Let me in. I will get in. I will get in. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.